That sound when you crack your knuckles, some people love it, others hate it. But does it really cause arthritis? Here's the truth. That popping noise isn't your bones grinding. It's actually gas bubbles bursting in the fluid inside your joints. And science says, nope, cracking your knuckles does not cause arthritis. Multiple studies have tested it, and there's zero link. So, is it harmful? Mostly, no. Occasional cracking is safe, but if you do it too aggressively or too often, it could irritate your joints or cause mild swelling. At worst, your grip strength might weaken a little over time. But arthritis? Totally a myth. So go ahead. Just try not to annoy everyone around you. Rightly explained.